Yeah. Ow. Oh, excuse me. Anyway, dear, it's time to get up. All the other kids are already up, and people are going to start arriving soon. Okay? Come on. Oh, yeah, Adoption Day. Hey, Krystal. Yeah? I heard you talking last night. You sounded so dumb. What? You heard me. Dumb. I was just talking to my parents. Yeah, whatever. Well, just stay away from me, okay, weirdo? Oh. Hey, Krystal, you're finally up. We're gonna get adopted today. We are? Oh, I meant some of us, I'm not sure if we're gonna get adopted. People are gonna come in. So we might. Hey guys, what you talking about? Oh, getting adopted? Excuse me. Yeah, she says we might get adopted. Yeah, you might. Oh, excuse me, girls. I have to get this. Who do you think it's gonna be? I don't know. Hello. Any animal you'd like to request? Ow. Oh, I'm looking for maybe hamsters, mice, rabbits, you know? Ah, we do not have mice, but we have two hamsters and a rabbit. Carly, Sammy, Hammy, there's a person who wants to see you. Alright. Cool. Would you like any of these three? You know, I just might take all three of them. Alright, kids, settle down, settle down. I'll be right back. I'm gonna go get the paperwork. Okay. Well, if you could just sign here and here. Okay. Ow. Is that all? Yeah, they're all yours. Alright, kids, come on. Thanks again. Bye, Claire. Thanks for everything. Bye, Claire. Bye-bye, Claire. Bye, kids. Have fun. Enjoy your life. Okay. Don't worry, guys. A lot more will get adopted. Alright, guys. The four of you better get to bed. I can't believe how many people got adopted today. Yeah, and we weren't one of them. Well, yeah. Who would want to adopt you freaks? FYI, Saffire, you didn't get adopted either. So? Your point? Well, then you can't really say that people don't want us because we're losers. Whatever, you guys are stupid. Just don't pay any attention to her, Krystal. She's just a big fat jerk. Yeah, I kinda noticed. Come on, guys, let's go to bed. Yeah, good idea. Wait up! Alright, girls, good night. Good night. Good night, Tiffany. Good night, Krystal.
Where could that little rat could have gone? Parents are dead. Where could she be? Tony! I just figured out something amazing. What is it, Rex? My name's Max. Whatever. I found out where Krystal lives. Where? You know that old orphanage at the end of the street? Yeah, that's where she is. They placed her in an orphanage. Does that girl not have any other related people? Apparently not. Yeah, but we need a plan. Why don't we just go in there at night and eat her for dinner? If you speak one more time about food, I am going to kill you. But I like food. Well, you're really annoying, so shut the hole that makes words. Oh, okay. Thank you, Hunter. Anyway, does anybody have a decent plan? What is wrong with you? He's holding his breath. So stupid. Anyway, what do you have in mind? I don't know. Guys, I couldn't help but overhear. What's with him? He held his breath. Oh. Anyway, I couldn't help but hear you guys talking about orphanage. What was with the pause in the middle? I don't know, brain dead. Anyway, we could... Okay. Oh. You're a genius! That's an excellent plan. We are going to win, boys. Dinner! Oh! Oh! I was waiting to see if anybody would do that. Okay, guys. Prepare the plan. Yes, sir! This is going to work out perfectly. Goodbye, little kitten. I look forward to seeing you once again for the last time.